Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off flashlight notifications on iPhone. If you want to turn it off, first of all, you need to update your iPhone to the latest version, or at least you have a new version of your iPhone, alright? Secondly, go ahead to your browser, and if you want to turn off the lighting or the LED alerts when you get a notification, just go ahead right here. It says go to the settings, accessibility, audio and visuals, then turn on the LED flash for alerts. So I'm gonna go back to my screen and go ahead to my settings, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna basically scroll a little bit down a little bit, and you're gonna see the option here for accessibility. Click on it. Basically scroll a little bit down, you're gonna see physical and motor and vision, and you're gonna see hearing. So scroll a little bit down right here and you're gonna see audio and visuals. So I'm gonna click on it, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down, you're gonna see the little thing, the last one, which is visual section. You're gonna see LED flash for alerts. That means that whenever you get a call, whenever you get a notification, something like that, your phone will start like a flash whenever you get a notification about anything, call, video call, notification about something from an app, right? So or any interaction. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.